man, this is how we starting the fucking video. Fuck it. This is what I like. Hold on, I think this is the turn. Yeah, fuck it. Yes, sir. Come on, hit a honey bun. Hit a honey bun. Hit a honey. Yes, sir. That's all we need. Easy. And right in time, because the house right there. Something smooth, 9 acres of land, you know. It's my Aunt Minnie's house. Uncle David, call him boss man, you know what I'm saying? I forgot to show you fuckers. Look at that. Come on, wait till the focus. Oh my gosh. I got new tires. Stop and just like thank and appreciate these people. Right now, I am at my Aunt Mindy's and my Uncle David's house. They're not blood by any means, but they love us just the same, and we love them, and they take care of us, and they were there for us when we first started becoming homeless. You guys don't even know, but before these videos that are coming out now were even coming out, I was making videos here just like, oh yeah, I'm gonna start recording, I'm gonna start vlogging. Never did, never went through with it. So now that it's been like a month or two since we've moved out of here, because we stayed here for like a month. They opened up their doors to us, and you know, just allowed us to be there. They're allowing me to come to my laundry again. It's amazing. They're amazing people. If I got some footage of the house back then or any type of clips, they're there. That's not a pony. Where are you? Zala, is it good? Heck yeah. You're so beautiful. Yeah, your eats.
Get my dollar.
Okay.
That's your dollar. So make sure you get it.
We got the 15-minute time rule, and now Auntie Minnie just made, well, she made some things earlier, and now she gave it to me to try. So that's me watching a beginner trader, 4K subscribers, get his first $5,000 payout, because why not? It's fun to watch, it's great to watch, and everybody else should do the same and just see how other people's stories are going. You know, comment your own story and just create a whole community and just be a part of a community and just, you know, welcome people into not only criticizing but appreciating everything you've done within your own trading journey. And anyway, yeah, so here's the stuff right here. She said it's from Kenya. You know, a friend of hers from Kenya makes them. But she said hers are not that good, and the friend from Kenya makes them obviously way better, and hers are not addictive, but the friend from Kenya's are. So, we're gonna see. We got them. Let's see that motherfucker, you know, let me see. Let's let's start with the first thing, is the smell. We gonna get something. We gonna get something right now to put on that right now. Look at the dude, we fixing his chop. Yeah, damn, my guy. It'll be coming off like a sticker. Yeah. This is what you don't let your head look like.
Why they invite me to my funeral? These be some deadbeat ass niggas, they around me tryna suck the life from me. So they invite me to my funeral, and it be
I'm finna take y'all with me to go scope out the house.
Welcome to my funeral.
Just thinking and watching TV.
Welcome to my funeral. My funeral. Said I've been focused lately, contemplating every decision.
It's damn near overwhelming at this point. You know what I'm saying? Drink water, but it'll be okay. So now I'm gonna show y'all how a real nigga, like myself, of course, does laundry. You know what I'm saying? You bring them in and you dump them just like that on the bed. Sometimes they'll stay for even a couple days before they get done. Real nigga activities. And of course, as we get home, we find messes that we are going to take into our own hands because nobody else seems to be able to do
They invite me to my funeral. These be some deadbeat ass niggas. They around me trying to suck the life from me. So they invite me to my funeral. And it be family and friends. They say they love you, but
something like that. Alright guys, I'm not even sure when the last time I picked up the fucking camera was. There's been a lot of shit going on. A lot of shit. I have also lost my job. I quit, but there's reasons behind it. I don't have money coming in. I don't have income. I don't have the steady income, 9 to 5, whatever. And the check was nowhere near what I had planned it to be. I had planned my last 2 checks to be over $600 a piece. The last check was $500. This check was $475. I'm glad I left. I need to find something else. I'm spending over 40 hours a week to make what I would make somewhere doing 30 hours. Like, I don't know. But I'm honestly planning on getting away from Forex for now and trying to scale. I'm going to try to scale the account with US30 and NASDAQ, possibly gold, and yeah, go from there. Let's see what today brings us. Even 20, 30 bucks I'm cool with, just to see a little bit of profit in the account. Good, you know? So, I don't know. I'll let you guys know how much I'm leveraging and all of those things when it comes to a trade that I see. I contemplated recording this, but good or bad, I want the journey to be documented. So here we are. This is the play we got. US30, we're going for breakouts on the 1 minute time frame / 5 minute time frame. So here's what we're going for, but basically 1 minute time frame. But we're up $4 now. I'm hoping for the break to the downside to this next area of interest here, which would give me a profit of about 24 bucks, which I'm going to watch it. If it seems like it breaks below there, then we'll obviously drop it and watch it and go from there. But right when I hopped off, it completely violated my stop loss. No way. Already down like 12 bucks in the account. That's fine, whatever. Market update. 156. So honestly, I had put in my trade down here. Well, close to around here, as you can see. And it had completely went up and I just kept moving the stop loss. Luckily, because then it went back down and I was able to come out a little bit on top. So now we're waiting it to retest. I think they call this like a Bollinger Band, where it stays in between these fucking areas of interest. So we're waiting for it to go back up and test this Bollinger Band. I don't know if I want to ride it all the way, because I do think that the market is coming down for a drop a little bit, at least to this line here. So I might go up here, wait for a sell, and then wait for the drop down. 156, baby. Real nigga activity, you know what I'm saying? And I just thought about it. If you guys are asking why I'm not putting in a buy at this point, or even down there, right when I got out of the trade, to go up for, you know, the upside, is because I still strongly believe that it will go to the downside. So I don't want to get in the trade and then it just and does exactly what I thought it was going to do. I just want to, you know, wait for it to go up to the proper place to where I can get another entry in for what I think it is going to do overall, which for the next, you know, couple hours or so, I do believe it is going to fall. So we're watching it, waiting for the next entry, and then going to get in for a sell. Boom. Precisely that. If I would have got in for the buy, right when I would have got in, or even a little bit after, it just would have went right back down. Because again, I do believe it is going for the downside. So that's what we're going to be waiting for. Whether, even though, you know, even if it creates this, you know, and goes back up, creates the candle and goes back up from there, I still believe it's going for the downside. So I cannot go for the buy. You understand? You see? El comprende? All right, guys. This is what we got. To say the least, it has been an emotional roller coaster. So as you know, I put in 140. The most I've seen the account at today is 196, and I'll show you where it hit. Here in this area, wait, I don't know, somewhere I bought, you know, upwards of here, and then it went down, and, you know, all the way up like to where it was 196 bucks on the account, and then it just completely went against my shit. So then I hop back into this play, this sell, because I still believe that it's going to eventually touch this fucking line. But as you can see, we do not have our stop loss to the, we do not have our take profit to the line anymore. We have it a little close to outside because, I had 196 in the fucking account. 196. That was my fucking 200 right there. And that's really what I was going for. I just, you know, got a little greedy and wanted to actually see the number 200 in the account instead of like a 196, and then putting on the fucking title, oh, I turned this into $200 and actually it's 196. I just wanted it to be $200. As long as we're above 140, snatcher. Not exactly, because if it's 150, I'm not snatcher. 160, I'm not snatcher. 170, I might snatcher. 180, I'm snatcher. 190, I'm snatcher. And 200, I'm definitely snatcher. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, 134. We have 1 minute till this candle closes. If it closes below this line here that it's created, oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. It's going to want to get some of that back, create that wick, and now hopefully we're going to the downside here. Let me get the TP being hit on video. That'd be great. Or even me closing out above 142.
Ayo, Speedy on that shit, bet.